Hello all, welcome to our channel. So majorly, what is the purpose of using for anchor text? So in anchor text, how to utilize in your particular website? If you go to my website, we can go with the option name is called video tutorial, training, career, contact us, privacy policy, and number of options are there. Here, I can add for another feature is called how you can give an anchor text. See here, Rakesh Solution is the best professional digital marketing agency, training and website development, design development, logo design, project design, and mobile app development in Hyderabad, Telangana is there. In this, how you can give an anchor text to move your page for another page. So that is called, first of all, you understand about the anchor text. Anchor text is nothing but anchor text is the clippable text in your hyperlinks. So SEO best practice detected the anchor text will be relevant to the page you're linking to the rather than generic text. The blue underlined anchor text, it is the most common. It is web standards. Although if it is possible to change the color and understanding for underlining the through HTML code. This is a code. Same copy this code. What is I'm showing here? If anybody click for read more, is go to another page. That is called I can go to the C panel where this code will be here. This will be understood only for developers. So developer will be use this particular option. So click for edit. Where is the I think for footer code will be here in this. Before that, what are the things you have? See this. Rakesh Tech Solution is the everything will be agency and training company, website design and development, logo design, browser design and mobile app development in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. So here I'm give this anchor text. The anchor text name is called read more. When read more option will be here, they can go to will be contact us page. Just I'm adding only for simple information. So the information will be adding will be here. So save changes. Previous will be like this in a footer. Now home page. The option will be we can go to the footer option. Here, what is called? We can give option name is called read more option. So read more option, people will be highlighting purpose. Save, refresh. When click for read more, see this. They go to your about us page. So it is only for about you can write will be here. That we can show will be about us page will be compulsory mandatory. So here is that save change, refresh, home page. Click this read more option. They go to your about us page will be here. So how you can go to the your pages, everything will be a particular option will be show to the customer. So it is purpose. We have to use which is about us page link is there. We can use this in a particular option. Services, schedule everything. So copy. So this code is written by the developers. So what is your task will be you have to show onto the particular link to the particular users. About us. Click for it. Refresh. Anywhere click for read more will be here. So what are the page you will be created will be here is the particular option. But here I have to show will be in this my particular YouTube video purpose. So website link will be same. So you can go with option name info, search. Now careful to watch, refresh. Anywhere click for read more option, they go to your particular YouTube channel option. So just give the syntax will be here. There is a few changes. This will be error occur will be here. Just you can click here, refresh, click for read more option. So right you can show you will be here that you can check for this particular option. Same here. Just I'm changing will be syntax will be like this. What are the your icon will be here. Just copy the link and now click for here. Write a review is there. I can click for watch now. So this you go to your particular YouTube channel option will be here. That all belongs to for anchor text option. So how we can identify anchor text? Same, this will be copy. I can show will be paste like this. Video, target block, iClass, F is the arrow. Here will be hidden as a true files and will be uploading for this particular option. So if it is a class not required, just you can close for the class. Simply you can click refresh and click for watch now. Is it clear? This is the syntax we'll be using for anchor text, which is the text of link will be here that will be highlighting on your particular option. So this is the we have to follow will be here and use your anchor text and increase your particular traffic on your particular option. So anything you will be facing the issues on your particular anchor text, you can contact my channel, definitely will be promote you. Major anchor text purpose is called any content you will be open for the same tab and another tab also. This will be open for another tab. Here we can promoting for YouTube channel video and website, anything will be accepted. If I'm clicking for about us page, about us page will be I'm click here. Just I'm going to refresh where it is called click for here. So they will open for that will be about us page will be done. So this is the compulsory. About us page time here watch now option is there. So I'm clicking option name is called read more. So what will happen when coming to this page, any kind of pages, When you click for read more, they go to your special page will be open it. So previous some mistake is there, but will be mistake will be rectified on your particular content. So this is the way you can writing for anchor text code to this particular using for user purpose. So any further question about anchor test, please contact my channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.